Hello everyone, this is Amit Saluja. I head the NASSCOM Center of Excellence in Gandhinagar, and in addition I also lead the Industry 4.0 manufacturing vertical for NASSCOM. NASSCOM COE has been established with support from Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies and Gujarat government. Our vision is to make India a hub for the Industry 4.0 globally. We are building an ecosystem for the process and discrete manufacturing companies to enable them co-create innovative solutions for the implementation of AI and IoT-led digital technologies, working with the startups, system integrators, technology companies, research organizations, and government. We are running several initiatives, and the first one I'll talk about is on the creating awareness on the Industry 4.0 technologies. The challenge what we have seen is while large companies have already moved forward on the digital journey, but MSME segment is still way behind on the digital adoption. And few of the reasons are one is the lack of understanding of how digital solutions can help, what are the benefits it can provide. Then there is also the challenges in the access to the solution providers who can basically guide them, and there is still not clarity about what to do, where to start. So these kind of questions still kind of keep coming in the manufacturing segment, and that's where kind of we come in. We help manufacturing leaders of the MSME segment in better understanding of the solution, what different kind of solutions are there. We advise them in the building the digital technology roadmap, and also when they are ready for the adoption, we connect them with the startups who are basically working with us. We have almost connected with 500 plus startups. Then there are 50 plus startups who have formally enrolled in our center, and they are actually kind of keen to help the manufacturing companies in kind of a deployment of the digital solutions. Now, let me talk about a few of the programs that we are running. So first one is I'll talk about on the Manufacturing Innovation Challenge. This is a program where we take problem statements from the large manufacturing companies and give them as a challenge to the startup ecosystem in the country. So the deep tech startups apply for those challenges which are given by the companies, and we run a 2 months of an evaluation process through which we identify the best of the startups who can work on the solutions, and then these startups work with the manufacturing companies in doing the proof of concepts, and once that is done, then after that they do the full scale deployment. So this program has been running very well. We have already 12 plus companies has got benefited from this, where the startups has given them the solutions. Then we are also running the digital leaders meetup. Under this, we bring leaders from the manufacturing industry come together and talk to each other on the success stories, what has worked, what has not worked in the digital adoptions, and what are some of the new solutions that are coming forward that can be of help. So this creates a lot of best practices sharing between those leaders, and that way it motivates and them to go forward for the digital adoption. Then especially for the MSME segment, we are running a program Udyam 4.0. The Udyam program has been defined with a specific objective for the leaders in the MSME segments to help them on the identifications of the area where they can use the digital solutions, and also we connect them to the startups who basically can understand their problems, the challenges that they are facing, and then co-create the solutions. When we say co-create, it's basically the manufacturing company and the startups work together in building the solution. So that way the solution which gets developed is a flexible and the customized solution, and it kind of addresses the pain points that the industry is facing. Then we also have a program or a platform which is basically Smart Manufacturing Competency Center. This is a first of a kind virtual platform globally where solution providers showcase the end-to-end digital solutions on the Industry 4.0. Basically, the digital solutions for the manufacturing segment are showcased at one place by the large technology companies and also for the startups. And this platform becomes a enabler for the manufacturing leaders to basically get to know what different kind of solutions exist. The idea is here to basically give them an experience of the solutions through the demonstration so that they get a better level of an understanding about how digital solutions can really help them. So I think this kind of a concept helps in better understanding rather than just attending a conferences or or talk to someone. Better to kind of see the solutions. I think that way it will really kind of help. And some of the kind of solutions that we are showcasing are, one is on the condition monitoring solutions, which is basically assessing the health of the equipments and the high value assets continuously. Then there are solutions around the supply chain management. So basically to understand the demand of the product or digital solution that can help in managing the inventory, the raw material. Then there are also AR and VR based solutions which can help in overall resource optimization. It can help in the some of the operations task gets done remotely, like for example the manager or supervisor can be at some other place and then can guide the worker through those AR and VR based solutions. Then there are certain solutions on the energy management, which basically helps in optimizing the energy usage in the plant. So basically that helps in cutting the cost. Then there are AI and analytics based solution, which basically helps in getting the insights from the data in the that exists in the plant, and from that data better decisions are taken. So that way the lot of processes can be refined in the manufacturing plants, and this helps in improving the efficiency, productivity and the safety in the plants. Then there are certain specific solutions on the worker health and safety also. So basically there are IoT based solutions through which sensors are placed in the PPE kits, PPE equipments of the worker, and remotely the all the health data and the environment data gets analyzed, and any kind of a challenge like worker is not feeling well, then it basically automatically gets reported to the supervisor so that timely action can be taken. Then there are computer vision based solutions are there, which can help in improving the quality, basically checking the quality of the finished products automatically. So this really speeds up the quality process, and also it improves the accuracy of the quality inspection. And then there are while IoT solution or the digital solutions gets implemented, I think we need to have some of the cyber security solutions also, that we need to avoid any kind of an threat or that can happen, which in current environment definitely it's becoming a problem. So that way security solutions are also there for the IoT. And finally, let me talk about the Digital Manufacturing Champions program. So we are coming up with a program under which we would like to identify or basically seek nominations from the 10 manufacturing companies in the MSME sector, out of which we'll say it should be mixed of both the medium and the small industries. And we would want to work with these selected manufacturing companies in understanding their challenges, the problems they are facing, by basically going to the plant, meeting people. Will basically come up with a consolidated challenges that they are facing, and then what could be the possible solutions and how technology can help in addressing that solutions. So I think this can be an exciting program where companies also get to learn about what are the different ways the problems can be solved. So we look forward for the nominations from the companies. We will work with the MDs or the CEOs of the companies to really lay down the whole digital roadmap. And once we identify what kind of solutions we should be implemented, we will connect we will basically bring in these startup solutions, which will be the low cost and easy to deploy solutions that can be used to kind of address those challenges. So I'm sure through this program we will be able to identify certain great ideas of the digital implementation, which can also become like a success stories for the other companies in the MSME segment to kind of adopt. So we really look forward to the interest from the leaders in the manufacturing sector, and I will share my email ID here. It's basically the smartmanufacturing@nascom.in. So in case you would like to reach out to us, talk to us, or would like to know more about how our programs can help you, or how basically digital technologies can help you, feel free to kind of write to us. We'll be more than happy to kind of support you in this. Thank you very much, and good luck, best wishes while you move forward on this digital journey, and improve your overall processes to cut the cost.